Get top Snoopy x Philadelphia Eagles Football Go Birds Flag Retro T-shirt to show your team spirit. With the Snoopy x Philadelphia Eagles Football Go Birds Flag Retro T-shirt, this unique collection combines the charm of Snoopy with the energy of Eagles football, making it a must-have for fans. Crafted from 100% cotton and proudly made in the United States, these shirts offer both comfort and style. Perfect for tailgates, game days, or casual wear. The retro design ensures you stand out while supporting your team. Washed T-shirt Snoopy x Philadelphia Eagles Football Go Birds Flag. Classic comfort. Show your team spirit with the retro Snoopy x Eagles T-shirt. Go Birds in style. The washed T-shirt version of the Snoopy x Philadelphia Eagles collection brings a soft, lived-in feel that is perfect for everyday wear. With its 100% cotton fabric, it provides breathability and durability while showcasing the retro Go Birds flag design. The washing process gives it a subtle vintage look, enhancing the nostalgic vibe of Snoopy and football combined. Ideal for fans who love casual, laid-back fashion with team pride. T-shirt Snoopy x Philadelphia Eagles Football Go Birds Flag. Waves of comfort. The classic. Show your Eagles pride with the retro Snoopy x Philadelphia Eagles football T-shirt. Our classic T-shirt offers a timeless option for all Philadelphia Eagles supporters. Made from 100% cotton, this shirt provides maximum comfort during long game days or casual outings. The bold Snoopy and Eagles graphics are printed with high-quality inks to ensure long-lasting color. Its unisex fit makes it a versatile wardrobe staple for both men and women who want to celebrate football with flair. Tank top Snoopy x Philadelphia Eagles Football Go Birds Flag. Riding the in style. Score style points with the top Snoopy x Eagles retro tank. Go Birds. The tank top style is designed for warmer weather and outdoor events. Made from soft 100% cotton, it keeps you cool while cheering on the Eagles. Featuring the iconic Snoopy Go Birds flag, this tank combines athletic style with a touch of nostalgia. Ideal for beach trips, backyard barbecues, or summer tailgates. It lets you show team spirit without overheating. V-neck Snoopy x Philadelphia Eagles Football Go Birds Flag. Elegance and edge. Cheer on the Eagles in style. Retro Snoopy tee for ultimate football fan fashion. Go Birds. For those who want a slightly dressier option, the V-neck t-shirt version offers a flattering cut while maintaining comfort. Crafted from 100% cotton and manufactured in the United States, it's soft to the touch and breathable. The retro Snoopy and Eagles design stands out beautifully against the V-neck silhouette, making it perfect for casual nights out or layered looks on game day. Sweater Snoopy x Philadelphia Eagles Football Go Birds Flag. Warmth and attitude. Show your Eagles pride with this retro Snoopy sweatshirt. Perfect for game day. When temperatures drop, the sweater variant keeps you cozy while showing your team pride. Made from high-quality 100% cotton, this sweater combines warmth and softness with the fun Snoopy x Philadelphia Eagles design. Its retro Go Birds flag adds a playful twist. Perfect for football season in cooler climates. Whether at the stadium or at home, this sweater is a fan favorite. Hoodie Snoopy x Philadelphia Eagles Football Go Birds Flag. Ultimate comfort and style. Score style points with the retro Snoopy x Eagles hoodie. Perfect for game day. Go Birds. The hoodie offers the perfect combination of comfort, warmth, and team pride. Made from 100% cotton and proudly produced in the United States, it features the iconic Snoopy x Philadelphia Eagles graphics on the front. With a spacious front pocket and adjustable hood, it's ideal for chilly game days, tailgate parties, or lounging at home. The retro design ensures fans look stylish while supporting the Eagles. Conclusion. Top Snoopy x Philadelphia Eagles Football Go Birds Flag Retro T-shirt. The Snoopy x Philadelphia Eagles Football Go Birds Flag Retro T-shirt collection brings fans together with comfort, quality, and iconic design. From washed T-shirts to hoodies, each piece is made from 100% cotton and manufactured in the United States, ensuring durability and softness. Celebrate your love for Snoopy, football, and the Eagles in style this season. Other product